Hello fellas, welcome back. I've come to see Rob. He's brought something totally different down to what I normally do, a 1971 Mini with Nitrous. Is that right?
Yeah, yes it has.
What's with the Nitrous? What made you?
Well, why not?
Exit, right, yeah, fair enough, fair. Why not? Why not? So you've done it in like a Lotus Cortina kind of colour scheme?
Yeah, always love the Lotus stuff, you know, when they've done the Carltons and the Sunbeams, but they never did a Mini, so I thought I'd have a go.
Make it yourself? Yeah. I love it. Really nice. You've even put the Lotus badges and everything on? Can I look inside?
Of course you can.
Ah, very nice. How long's the car been built?
So I got this car about 12 years ago. Ran it for about 4 years, sort of as a daily, rain and shine, and then it got a bit sort of basket case, so I took it into a friend of mine, yeah. As you see it now, it's probably been done about 4 years now, been finished 4 years. Well, they're never finished, but...
No. It's been like this kind of...
Yeah, for 4 years.
Aye, really nice, very nice.
Yeah.
What wheels have you got on?
I've forgotten what they're called.
Are they split rim?
Force Racing split rim.
Force Racing.
6.5 by 10.
10 inch?
Yeah.
Are the tyres expensive?
They're about £70 a corner.
Oh, that's not bad, is it?
No, not too bad.
Because it'll be quite a rare tyre as well, obviously, a 10 inch tyre.
But to be fair, those tyres have been on probably 10 years now, so they might need a bit of a refresh.
Change.
Yes.
Be a bit hard.
Yeah.
I like the tread pattern on them as well.
Oh, yeah.
I've got a thing for tread patterns on tyres. It's one thing I look for in a tyre, a nice tread pattern.
Well, they did the same tyre on a 13-inch rim, and they took the licence off them for the road, so you can't only use them on a track. But these, they didn't, so you can still use these.
Oh, right. Just on the road, so you've got no problems with MOTs? And
no.
Does it still get MOT?
No.
I can't wait till the days of that for my cars.
Tax, no MOT.
No tax, no MOT?
No.
So you literally just insure it and put petrol in where you go?
£85.
Is it?
Yeah.
£85?
Yes.
Oh, I love it, I love it. It's mint. What seats have you got in?
They're Corbo Racing Seats GT4s.
Nice. Have you done many miles in it since you rebuilt it?
Well, when I first got the car, so this was about 12 years ago, it'd done 26,000. So
original miles?
Yes. Original engine, original miles. So what's it done now? 32, so I've only done 6,000 really.
So it's only done 32,000 miles in
total. 40
odd year?
Yeah. Well, 51 year now.
51 year?
Yeah.
She's an old girl then.
She is, so am I.
So what size engine have we got, Rob?
It's 998.
998, so look like 1 litre?
1 litre, never been apart.
I was saying it's still got the original head gasket?
The original head gasket, like say the coil and the clutch all lasted 49 years.
Have you put a new clutch in it now?
New clutch in now, new coil, so larger carburettor, bigger air filter, and it's got upgraded water system with the cooling, the radiator, the water pump. The rest of it's fairly original.
What kind of power do you think it does in the standard? Like, is a 1 litre without the Nitrous?
As a 1 litre, it should be sort of mid 40s.
Right.
So what they do say is that you lose 1 bhp every year.
So it's negative.
So it's in negative now. So it's probably -5
So
now.
is that what the Nitrous has for, to boost it back up to plus? What kind of shot of Nitrous have you got on?
It's only 12.5.
Brake horsepower?
Yes, yeah, but you can have any injectors. So they're going 12.5, 25, 50, 7500, you can put whatever you want in.
So it's like 55, 60 brake horsepower with the Nitrous?
Yeah.
Do you use it much, the Nitrous?
No.
No?
Just for show, really.
Aye, why not? Where's the bottle?
I'll show you. That's kitchen cupboard, by the way.
The handle. Whoa. Shut up, man. Did you do all that yourself?
Yes.
How long did that take you to do?
Just thinking how to get the bottle in, maybe a couple of weeks, to try and figure out how to sit it in the back without touching anything, and to get the...
God, it's immaculate.
To get it to sit up like that.
I like the bottle as well, the way it's like polished and...
Yeah.
Have you had it refilled yet?
No.
No, still the first fill. I like your toolkit as well, mind. Has it came in handy when you've been out and about?
I've used it all the time.
When you're out and about?
Yeah.
I should put one of them in my cars.
I stopped several times this morning on the way here.
No, it looks mint. Absolutely mint. Credit to you, mate. You've done a really nice job with this.
There you go.
Should we head out now? We'll go for a little drive.
Absolutely.
It's small inside, isn't it? You don't realise till you get in. Will we rubbing shoulders?
I know. We'll be engaged by the end of the drive. Right, are we good?
Ready when you are, mate. Ready when you are.
uprated horn.
What kind of suspension is it on? Because Minis used to have a rubber block years ago, didn't they?
Yeah, it's on rubber cones.
It's on rubber what?
Rubber, like a rubber cone.
Right. So you haven't got like a traditional
No,
shocker with a spring on?
No. So the rubber cones, the shocker, sorry, the suspension, and then it's got shockers as well. They're adjustable.
Right.
And then it's got high-lows on it, which you can alter the height.
Oh, right.
So it's fully adjustable depending on what you want. But I set it about 4 or 5 years ago, and it's been all right ever since. So, yeah.
Is that flat the floor there?
Yeah.
Is it? Have you had it roll and roaded?
No. Just by ear.
God, it sticks well in the corners.
How's that? All right.
Aye, good, aye. Is that flat out there?
Yeah.
Is that flat out?
Yeah. Put your head down. That's it. There we are. Are you converted then?
Yeah, I could quite happily drive about with this. Is the steering wheel centre for you?
Yeah.
Aye. So I had a Nova, and the steering wheel was like there.
I mean, I suppose it's slightly
to one
I
side.
just get used to it really. It's not.
No problem.
Nah.
How fast do you think this will do flat out then? About 70, 80?
Oh, well, obviously when I'm going on shows and things, my wife has a 1275 and my friend has a 1275.
Oh, your wife's got a Mini as well?
Yeah.
Nice, yeah.
So I've got to keep up. So it rattles along at 70 or 80.
Does it? And the rev's right up there?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, it's screaming. Was the gearbox top out at about 80, 90?
It's the same diff. It's running the same diff as the 1275.
Right.
So technically it could go over 100 really.
Really?
Yeah, if it had the legs.
Is it 4-speed?
It's 4-speed, yeah.
It's, when you go around corners fast, it's so like level and planted, isn't it?
It doesn't roll.
No. Is that just because of the old style suspension with it being on the blocks?
I've stiffened up the dampers, so it's running quite stiff.
Mate, thanks a lot for that. Really appreciate that.
You're very welcome.
Thanks for meeting up.
No bother.
I'll leave a link to Rob's Instagram below if you want to see some more pictures of the car. But yeah, again, mate, thanks a lot. I really enjoyed it.
My pleasure.
Really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, fellas, and I'll catch you on the next one. Spot on, mate. Spot on. Thanks a lot for that.